Hello, this is HCTC Libraries Reference Librarian and Information Literacy Instructor Evelyn Hudson. Welcome to Using Primo, an introduction to the new KCTCS online catalog. Primo is the library's new catalog, the portal to locating print and electronic resources within the library. So what is Primo? Primo is an academic resource search engine whose algorithm is much more nuanced than the legacy catalog you may be used to. Primo's ambitious search system ranks individual records on your results list by factors such as academic merit and allows users the ability to manipulate those results further by selecting preferred disciplines, subject terms, and other new limiters. Primo also introduces integration of library database resources such as online journal articles into single results list alongside print and audiovisual materials. Primo isn't the only library software shakeup. Alma, our new circulation, cataloging, and resource management software, integrates more efficiently with Primo, allowing Primo's discovery system to function more fully as intended. So let's jump into using Primo. From the HCTC Libraries homepage, users can enter their search query as a single keyword, or they can use keywords connected by Boolean operators and, or, and not, wildcard or truncation symbols, or other advanced search bar strategies. Users can also use the advanced search feature within the catalog to sculpt specific searches by selecting fields such as title, author, or subject, and limited by material type and creation date ranges. The search bar on the library's homepage searches all print and electronic items in the library's catalog. Users can choose to search only for print items from the Catalogs and Databases page by clicking Primo Books. So let's explore each of the limiter options one by one. Expand My Results at the top of the limiter list will include records without full text available or where the record exists within a database but no full text HTML or PDF is available. This will generally explode your search results. Availability, once a user has limited their search by location, will show the availability of physical items such as the books, CDs, DVDs, and ebooks specifically in HCTC libraries. You can limit by your library location by scrolling down to Library and selecting Hazard or Hazard Lees. You can select both by checking the box on the left side of the college's name. The subject limiter shows controlled subject terms associated with your search query, which appear in the detailed records of available items. Author and creator shows the names of the associated authors for the results. Location varies from library in that it shows specific sections within each of KCTCS libraries, such as searching within the HCTC Libraries Kentucky Appalachia Collection or the reference section. Resource type allows users to select preferred formats like books, videos, reference entries, etc. Collection shows users the sub-collections within the library's databases where the results originate. Creation date allows users to narrow the creation or publication dates to a specific range. Journal title allows users to select articles originating from specific journals held in sub-collections of the library's online databases. Language allows users to narrow by the original language of an item. And new records will limit the results to items entered into the local catalog within the last 3 months, 1 month, and last week. New to Primo, users also have the option to personalize results, meaning a user can narrow the records so the results are related to specific disciplines, such as law, nursing, the humanities, or science field. This can be helpful for students looking for topics to address a discipline-specific research assignment, such as in a nursing or history class. So what if we're happy with our results list and we found an interesting item we want to explore further? You can click on an item title to view the detailed record. You may notice icons on the record of an item. They may say open access, peer-reviewed, or available online. These are indicators of the status of online database content. Open access means the item is available via an open access repository or a journal. Peer-reviewed means the item has gone through a peer review process. And available online means the item is available in a database. However, this may show items available in databases not owned by HCTC, but by one of the other 16 KCTCS college libraries, depending on if you have narrowed your library location. Viewing the detailed record will provide information about availability, if an item is checked out, where to find it, a link if the item is a digital resource, and metadata such as author and publication information and any available publisher summary. Primo's detailed records will also show users items available on physical library shelves next to the selected items, allowing the user to virtually browse nearby titles. If a user decides they would like to use this resource, they can export the metadata to an outside reference service such as BibTeX, EasyBib, EndNote, or RefWorks. Primo also contains a citation generator. Users can copy and paste the citation directly from the catalog. Finally, users can print or email the detailed record to save the result. And the permalink will provide static access to the item. If a user wants to read the full text of a digital resource, they will need to follow the pathway from the detailed record or search the article title within the appropriate database, accessing the database directly from the library's catalogs and databases page. This will require users to sign in using their KCTCS credentials to obtain database access if that database is an HCTC library-owned database. The open access ones will redirect to an outside website. At this point, users may have noticed each resource in the results list has a pushpin icon in the corner. In addition to the catalog's discovery services, users can manage their resources within Primo. Users must create an account and sign in to save their resource lists. Clicking the pushpin will pin the resource and export the information here. A user simply has to click on the pushpin icon at the very top of the screen to view their saved records. From the Saved Records page, users can further classify the records using their own labels to group items based on assignment, argument, class, etc. In addition to saving records for convenient access, users can build bibliographies from this list and export to a citation service, print, email, and save. Users can also set up RSS feeds for search queries or keywords, so when a new item is added to the catalog, either as a physical item or digital, the user will be notified of that new item. Creating a Primo account has another benefit. HCTC Library users can view their library checkouts, fines, fees, messages relating to their accounts, and request renewals through Primo's library card dashboard. Request an item, unfortunately, is not available as of yet for HCTC Libraries users. For our users' privacy considerations, users can also delete search histories associated with their accounts. You can also conduct searches for specific print and digital journals by keyword and browse by subjects and subheadings. I hope this demonstration has been helpful. If you have any questions or you would like to request a live one-on-one demonstration, please don't hesitate to contact me by phone, email, or drop by one of our library locations. You can find my contact information for Evelyn Hudson on the HCTC Libraries webpage under Staff Directory. Happy searching!